A brand new e-sign method has just been released. Now, you no longer need to search for public certificates, worry about certificates getting revoked, or wait for a new signing certificate to become available. With Esign Jr, you can install IPA Files on your iPhone or iPad using only your own Apple ID. No shared enterprise certificate. All you need is your Apple ID. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Esign Jr to sign and install IPA Files step by step. First, you only need a USB cable for the initial setup. There is no complicated configuration or additional software required. Simply connect your iPhone or iPad to a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer and you're ready to begin. Open Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on your computer, then visit applejr.net. From the website, go to the Sideload tab. Here, you can install Esign Jr using a certificate generated from your own Apple ID. Esign Jr works as an IPA signing and installation application with your own Apple ID. In my case, I'm using a Windows computer. Before connecting your device to Esign Jr, Windows users need to install the Apple Jr USB driver. This driver allows the browser to properly detect and communicate with your iPhone or iPad. If you're using a Mac, you don't need to install this driver. On the Apple Jr sideload page, click Download Driver on the pop-up. Open the downloaded file and run it. After installed, a pop-up will disappear in the browser. Then select Esign Jr from the list. Next, sign in using your Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID you want to use for signing Esign Jr, then click Sign In. Apple will send a 6-digit verification code to one of your trusted Apple devices or registered phone numbers. After the code is verified, Apple Jr will create a personal signing certificate using your Apple ID. This certificate will be used to sign and install Esign Jr directly onto your iPhone or iPad. Next, click the Connect button. Before continuing, make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to the computer using a USB cable. Keep your device unlocked while starting the connection process. A device selection pop-up will appear in the browser. Select your connected iPhone or iPad, then click Connect. You may need to confirm the trust request twice during the initial connection. When the trust, this computer message appears on your iPhone or iPad, tap Trust, then enter your device passcode. Keep the device unlocked and connected while Esign Jr completes the pairing process. Once your device is successfully trusted and connected, you're ready to install Esign Jr. Click the Install button. Esign Jr will now be downloaded securely from the Apple Jr server. After the download is complete, Apple Jr will automatically sign Esign Jr using the personal certificate generated from your Apple ID. Please wait while the downloading, signing, and installation process is completed. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet connection. Do not close the browser, lock your device, or unplug the USB cable while Esign Jr is being installed. Keep your iPhone or iPad connected and unlocked until the progress reaches 100%. Once the installation is complete, the Esign Jr icon will appear on your home screen. Once the installation is complete, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Go to General, then select VPN and Device Management. Then tap Trust. Now return to your home screen and open Esign Jr. Next, you need to install Local Dev VPN, so Esign Jr can install and refresh IPA files directly on your device without using a computer. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, search for Local Dev VPN, then download and install the application. Once it has been installed, open Local Dev VPN and allow the VPN configuration when prompted. Tap Allow, enter your device passcode if required, then connect the VPN. After the VPN is connected, return to Esign Jr, then go to the Settings tab, select the Apple ID option, and sign in using the same Apple ID you used during the initial installation. Apple may send a 6-digit verification code to one of your trusted devices, or SMS. Once your Apple ID is successfully connected, Esign Jr will prepare your personal signing certificate. Next, open the Files tab. Tap the Import button, then select the IPA file you want to install from the Files app. Once the import is finished, open the Apps tab. Your imported unsigned IPA file should appear in the application list. Select the IPA file, then tap Sign. Esign Jr will begin signing the application using the personal certificate generated from your Apple ID. Make sure Local Dev VPN remains connected during the signing and installation process. After the installation finishes, return to your home screen and open the application. Your IPA is now signed using using your own Apple ID certificate and ready to use. As you know, applications signed with a free Apple ID are normally valid for up to 7 days. However, you do not need to repeat the full computer setup every time. Before the application expires, open LocalDev VPN and make sure the VPN is connected. Then open Esign Jr, go to the Apps tab, select the installed application, and tap the refresh button. Esign Jr will sign the application again and reset its remaining validity period. And that is how to install and sign IPA files using the brand new Esign Jr method. Esign Jr uses your own Apple ID certificate, giving you a more reliable way to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad. You can find Esign Jr and the complete installation tool on applejr.net. Thanks for watching.